My name is Cam, and I'm the owner and sole employee of Blacktail Studio, a one-man woodworking shop and YouTube channel. I've been making epoxy tables about 5 years, and most everything I've learned has been through my own trial and error. In 2018, I uploaded my first epoxy table video to YouTube. Since then, my epoxy videos and tutorials have gotten over 90 million views and are the main contributor to my channel recently passing 1 million subscribers. I'm not just a YouTuber though, I'm an actual full-time woodworking shop. My first epoxy table sale was for $900. Today I have orders from tables ranging from $10,000 to over $30,000. My YouTube videos can be very helpful, but they're primarily created as entertainment, so there's a lot of information that gets left out. As a solution to this, in the past, I've hosted in-person epoxy workshops with attendees from around the globe. However, in this increasingly virtual world, I wanted to create a workshop that could not only be viewed by anyone, anywhere, but is also significantly more accessible than my in-person workshops. Epoxy tables can be intimidating, but they aren't a skill that requires being an apprentice to a master carpenter for 10 years to achieve. This virtual workshop is broken down into easy to understand sections that anyone with a modest amount of woodworking experience can use to create a beautiful table that can be used every day. This workshop will take you through the entire process of building a wood and epoxy table from start to finish, but this is much more than a how-to video. This is over 3 hours of detailed step-by-step instructions, visuals, and commentary. We'll go over the entire wood buying process, including not only where to buy wood that looks amazing, but is properly dried for your climate and treated for insects. We will discuss everything you need to know about preparing your table for the epoxy pour, ensuring that you have your wood properly prepped so the color you choose doesn't stain your wood or the wood itself doesn't bow or buckle during the curing process. You'll be able to calculate exactly how much epoxy you're going to need so you don't over or under buy, which can be a quick way to waste hundreds of dollars. You'll also be able to choose a color that not only looks fantastic, but do it accurately and repeatedly if you ever want to match that color in the future. You'll learn what leads to many epoxy table failures, epoxy overheating, yellowing, cracking, and more. We'll take you through the entire finish process, starting at flattening your table, proper sanding techniques, and how to get a showroom perfect finish even in a dusty garage. Finally, we'll learn how to properly attach our table legs and bases to our wood and epoxy tops so the wood can move seasonally and doesn't crack or split on you. We'll even go through the care, maintenance, and refinishing of these tables. I've designed this course so that by completion, you can have the skills and confidence to approach any wood and epoxy project from as small as a set of coasters to as large as your next dining table.